Hello guys, welcome back again in today's beautiful video. My people, how are you all doing today? I hope everybody are doing great. So today I have a very important recipe in which I want to share with you right now. But before I go into that video or decision, I want to use this wonderful opportunity to thank all my returning subscribers for always coming back to watch my videos. May God Almighty bless you. Yes. And to my newer subscribers, thank you for stopping by. Thank you for choosing to watch this channel. May God Almighty bless you. In this particular channel, we teach you how you can use some natural things to solve some of your spiritual problems, just like the one you are seeing right now. Okay? You are highly welcome. My name is Ano Amaka. So back to the topic, my lovely people. Guys, I know that devil has made a lot of people blind. Your enemies has caused you to lose your spiritual sight. And it is not a good sign. If you are into ministration, I want to share with you today how you can prepare your eye-opening drink to be able to see things before it happens. You are going to be seeing clearly anywhere they are planning evil against you. By doing this, you are going to be able to hear and see what the enemies are planning against you. All right? So, if that is what you want to hear, please give this video a like, and also remember to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Please share our videos. This recipe, I'm teaching it for free. Yes, it works very well. It's not everything that I will sell. I am doing this because of my humble subscribers, my customers, and the family as a whole. All right? And if God touches you to send us data after watching this video, please kindly do, and we will gladly accept and pray for you. All right? Yeah. So, that is it. Now, number one ingredient which we are going to make use of in this particular video is this spiritual stick that has been molded. I'm going to show you. You have been seeing this all along. You have been seeing it in the market, but you don't know that you can use it. So, number one ingredient today is what we called Edo. I will show you what Edo looks like. You need Edo. Just like this. This is Edo. This is Edo. Edo is very powerful. You can also use it for daily prayers, for open doors, for success, to attract good people to do business with you. This is Edo. You need it like 2 pieces. Okay? That is number one ingredient. Then number two ingredient, you need a rainwater that did not touch the ground. Get the rainwater. All right. Now, also get me a white transparent bowl. If you cannot get white transparent bowl, you can get me your stainless bowl. All right. Stainless bowl will be okay for those who cannot lay their hands on a transparent bowl. Now, another ingredient in my list today, which is the main ingredient, is Fanta. Okay, so please get the bottle Fanta. Try and get bottle Fanta because it's going to work more effectively and quicker more than the rubber one. Get bottle Fanta. After getting this whole ingredient, guys, now put your Edo inside your rubber. Take 1 bottle of rainwater and add inside the mixture, turn it and leave it the next day. Then when you come back the next day, everything must have melted. Now, pour the Fanta inside the mixture of rainwater and Edo. And then use your hand to turn it very well. Please do not use spoon to turn it. Use your hand to turn it. Very important. And also prophesy on the mixture. Say what you want and then store it. Okay? Store it again. The same bottle that you pour out your rainwater. Now, at midnight, fetch a little of it and drink. In the morning, fetch a little and drink. As you're drinking it, say, God, open my third eyes. God, restore my third eye. I want to see things before it happens. Do this until everything finish. All right? But while you are doing this, I want you to put your faith on high. Because a lot of people don't believe in spiritual exercises, but you have a spiritual problem that needed spiritual exercise to solve it. So this recipe works for those who has ministry, have a gathering where they're calling upon the name of God for worshiping. You want to see things before it happens. This mixture works very well and very quick. All right. So guys, do this and you will see results immediately. Please, after watching this video, like this video, share it, leave your comment under the comment section. And if you want this recipe to work for you, please leave your comment. Because I'm going to be praying on every name that I see on my comment section. After watching this video, I'm going to be copying those names and I'm going to be praying a very, very aggressive prayer on this recipe on their head. It must work for you. Whether the enemies like it or not, it must work for. Even if you cannot comment, please like. Let me see like. Okay, as many hands as going to type like, this recipe will work more than what you are using it for, by the special grace of God. Okay, so guys, that is the end of our video for today. Please like and subscribe, share this video. See you on my next episode. Do have a lovely evening. Bye.